We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with NNDM Nano Dimensions continuing to break through key resistance levels. And it wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY buy at 9:35 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. And from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength on 42 vision. And call options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with NNDM stock, Nano Dimensions, continuing the staircase effect here and trying to hold support above $3. And in today's video, we're going to talk about the key levels I would watch going into tomorrow, what's going on with the inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 9:40 a.m. sent out a bear indicator. From that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 80% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with NNDM stock, Nano Dimensions, doing a full transition from red bars on Friday into bright green bars at the highs. And in today's pre-market, hitting red bars back up to bright green bars at today's highs. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with NNDM stock, Nano Dimensions, under a bull indicator here at 298 and inflows above the midpoint, and continuing this staircase effect after getting that bull indicator here at around the 288 area, pushing upwards in today's pre-market. Bear indicator in the pre-market got canceled, and outflows never crossed the midpoint. They were pulling downwards, but quickly turned back from red to green, pulling away from the midpoint to the upside and hitting highs here of inflows of 0.14. And in today's volatility, the outflows had began pulling away from those highs of inflows, but still above the midpoint. And this is going to be crucial and critical for this staircase effect to even continue and reflect any further strength in these charts and the bulls to have any control. These inflows are going to be critical and crucial to stay above the midpoint going into tomorrow. I'm going to be watching that very carefully. And if we go ahead and zoom out here and look at this from the 1 hour, we can go ahead and see here within the charts, inflows crossed over since Friday, bull indicator there at 290, staircase effect here, and continuing to push up, broke through the highs of Friday and even the highs from way back here on Wednesday of last week, retesting that 305 to almost 310 area, hitting highs here of 307 and fighting to stay above $3 here in the after hours. And these crucial levels are going to be critical to hold the support above $3 and the inflows to continue picking up and pulling away from the midpoint here on the 1 hour as well. And this bull indicator to not get canceled by any chance of a bear indicator. If not, it could quickly start to reflect that weakness into these charts, cancel out that bull indicator, and possibly even bring the outflows to start dominating or trying to retest the midpoint and cross it. So definitely something to not overlook here in the 1 hour chart in the bigger picture. Now, if we zoom in and look at this from the 15-minute, we could go ahead and see here how the volatility was in the pre-market. Bear indicator at $3, bull indicator popping up here at 296 after the outflows crossed back over, and in the middle of the day on that slight pullback, outflows were trying to dominate and inflows are back above, guys. This is crucial and critical because this staircase effect here is happening as well in the volatility of the 15-minute. It's right now at inflows at 0.05, hit highs here of inflows of 0.10, and the highs were 307, 308 area, and it's fighting to stay above $3, and it's going to be crucial and critical to retest the highs of the day. So in the volatility, it is looking strong here with the bull indicator, and inflows are above, and it's going to be crucial for these inflows to continue going higher, because if it crosses to the downside, it could quickly start to reflect that weakness into these charts and destroy the momentum here of this bull indicator by canceling it with a possible bear indicator in the process, and that weakness could possibly even roll over into the 30-minute as well, as it's right there near the midpoint, pull it downwards and quickly start to reflect that weakness into these charts as well. Now, what are the key levels I'll be watching? Well, the first thing is support, guys. $3 is the first support I would not ignore, and then below that comes $2.95, the lows in the pre-market. And if these outflows cross to the downside, and also on the 15-minute it crosses to the downside, cancels out this bull indicator with a possible bear indicator and reflect that weakness even into the 30-minute. The next support I'll be watching is where that bull indicator popped up here at 288 on Friday, and then below that comes the 280 support level, where things have bounced back up and tried to retest $3 in the last several days. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows to hold up strong here on the 1 hour, hold this bull indicator true at 290, get these inflows going back up, staying above the midpoint and pulling away from it, and on the 15-minute as well, and continuing the staircase effect here and holding these bull indicators true. And the first resistance is 307, the highs of the day. Then comes 310, and then above that is the 320 area. So these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside. They're going to be pivotal. I would not ignore them. The bull and bear indicators are going to be crucial as well. These inflows staying above the midpoint are definitely not to be ignored. It's right now above the midpoint on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and the 1 hour, but really close here in this battle of the bulls and bears on the 30-minute, and same thing here on the 15-minute. Even though it crossed it earlier in the day, it came back up and it's sitting there at 0.05, and then on the 30-minute it's at 0.04, not that far from the midpoint. Definitely something to not overlook. So these are the key levels I'll be watching, and as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.